faulty display is stuck on -5C. So we took the probe wires out, put our little box in there. $20K is too low, let's try 10. Big display, still got minus on it. That's 1K. $2K is over.
Hello, do you want me to make up that trench now, or do you want me to make it from around there?
So it's 1.1, if you go another 10. So it's PTC.
No problem, see you.
Right, we've got 19.9, and that's 1K 40, that's 70, 80, 82 ohms, so near enough 1.1K, 1100 ohms is about 20 degrees. It's a PTC probe, that's what we need to find for this. Yeah, so it looks like the probe's gone. Unless we've got a break in the cable. I'll check the continuity on there in a minute. Oh, I've got this connected to the probe with these two little clips. Well, it's not a probe, it's to the cable that goes to the controller, and that's still saying 20 degrees, so the cable's okay. I've measured the probe wire with the float meter, and it's saying 64 ohms, so the probe's shorted out, I think. It's probably got moisture in there or something's failed. So we'll get a probe ordered up for it, and we might get a couple and get one for a spare. This seems to be doing what I wanted.